Tiny and beautiful Galaxy S24.
This smartphone can record all the way to 8K 30 frames per second, but for the purpose of this video, I'm in 4K 30 because you cannot switch lenses during the recording in 60. So that's that. This is wide angle lens. Let me stop for a little bit. Autofocus not available, so pictures and videos will be blurry if you close up. For example, if you want to close up as a macro, it will be blurry, unfortunately. Well, if you want to vlog from this smartphone, this is how it's going to look like. A vlogging style. Let's continue to the main lens. And this is the main lens. A little bit of colors for you. A little bit of blue. Wow, it looks really good. There's also a high bitrate option in the menu, which is on at the moment. Now with the main lens, of course, autofocus is available and you can do a semi-macro. Well, dedicated macro is for the telephoto, but again, bokeh effect is great for such a small smartphone. And macro, if you want to do a macro, well, I cannot go too close. It's 2.0 and that's all we got. Oh, yeah, it's decent. Alright, so but let's do telephoto again. 7, 8, 9, 10 and 12, that's the maximum. Well, I don't see too much difference between the previous version and this one, at least in the camera department. Going back, a vlogging style in the main lens. This is how it's going to look like in the main lens. What about front-facing camera? We can switch lenses during the recording, front and back, which is fun. The audio will clip, but in Huawei and Honor, which is also available, the audio will desynchronize. So this is much better. Just a tiny clip between. And you can see it will clip the out. That's okay. Like I said, it's better than the desynchronization. My English is not that great. But this does look like full length of my arm. Sky. It's not overexposing the sky. We're shooting directly to the sun. So now it's much better. It's not overexposing. Autofocus in front-facing camera is quick. Extremely quick. I love it. And you can do... well, you can do semi-macro with it. But anyway... Can we do zoom? No. It's in 4K 60, that's the maximum resolution. We do have portrait mode. Portrait video. Stop making noises. Anyway, this does look like. From front-facing camera, you can choose a couple of different blur effects. This is 0. You can go all the way to 7. And now it will imitate the full frame camera. Well, it's imitating. It's not like in the full frame camera, but it's very close. Another one will completely blur the image if you wanted to. Well, you can choose between 1 and 7. Well, there's a slider, so you can put it in the middle, more, and 7 all the way. And now you won't be able to tell where I am, which is cool. Another one, color point. It means that I'm in color and everything else is black and white, which is also cool. You can adjust that, of course. And glitch, which I don't think anyone will use. It reminds me of old 3D glasses. Glitzer, no, something like that. It was terrible for your eyes. Disaster for your eyes. But that's how it's looked like. Portrait. Bam. And in the post-production should blur the image, which looks awesome. That looks awesome. Of course, we can do the same with the front-facing camera. You will have that bokeh effect, which is really nice. Bam. For the closer subject, it will be added in post-production, which is now looks really nice. All right. Photo, and in the photo we can zoom much further. 6, 7, 10, 30. But that's the electronic zoom. So I think 10 is. If you go all the way and hit photo, see that photo will not be great. Just like that. Anyway, going back, we have 12 megapixels and 50 megapixels. Bam. Hit photo and zoom. Okay, it needs to render that 50 megapixel photo. Oh, there it is. Nice. Really nice. Not now. Don't give me a bonus. More. And in the more department we have dual video. What does that mean? It means we can record two cameras at the same time, which is great. Or if you want to record the screen, then you can record from all the cameras. You can choose which camera you want to record. And okay, that's front and back, or maybe wide angle and the regular lens. Okay, we cannot do wide angle and regular lens, can we? Yeah, we can. Look. Now, that is a feature also. Very nice. Of course, we can switch. Very nice. What else do we have? And we do have hyperlapse, slow motion, single take. In a pro video, you can go 8K 30 or Full HD 60. There is no 120 for 4K. 4K, there is no 4K 120 like in the ultra version, but there is 120 for Full HD if you want it. Of course, aspect ratio. And let me go back and hit more, and there's also a Pro Photo. And in the Pro Photo you can do whatever you like with the photo. Shutter speed, ISO, colors, focus center, and stuff like that. Of course, in the Pro Video also you can add the wireless microphone. Okay, so that's video. What about photo? Check it out. And there'll be a link in the description for you to download original photo and video samples without any compression. And as you can see, they are beautiful. Look at the close-up. Look at the colors. They are very, very nice. That's another one for you. Also very nice. A lot of colors. High quality picture. 50 megapixels. If we zoom, it's okay. A lot of details. Look at the amount of details on that. Metal. Again, a building and 50 megapixels. Yeah, a lot of details. A little bit of colors for you. Also 50 megapixels. Nice depth of view. And flowers. Like you can see, the front flower is not in focus, but everything else is. And wow, that's okay, I guess. That's okay. Is it oversaturating the colors? Yes, it is. Look at that pepper. It's too red. And yellow is too yellow. Just a little bit of a saturation. And my favorite, mermaid. It looks good. Everything is out of focus and she is very in focus. Let's do a couple of more pictures in the sunlight. Wow, the share of details is amazing. Well, HDR photo and selfies. At night, also a good night photo. Without autofocus in wide angle lens, your photo will be blurry if you get close with wide angle. And front facing camera also not bad, not at all. Conclusion in 8K. This is 8K video with autofocus. That's great. Conclusion: this smartphone is tiny, very easy to use, which is something which everyone wants. I think, at least I wanted to have a smartphone which is easy to use. Wow, that 8K. It'll be downsampled to 4K, but that is an 8K experience. Can we zoom in an 8K? We can, all the way to 5x, which is awesome. Like I said, it is small, feels very nice in the hand, but it's definitely not on the level of Galaxy S24 Ultra. It's a completely different set of cameras, but still okay, I guess. In this price range, you can find maybe OnePlus 12, but OnePlus 12 won't give you switching lenses front and back during the recording, and autofocus and front-facing camera. So it is something different, and I think that's all I have. It's cool, but the battery goes very quickly, and it's sometimes getting a bit warm, maybe even too warm. Well, if you have a good case, then you won't feel it. Thanks for watching, and see you next video.